your eyes and say the prayer. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yes, slowly open your eyes, dear students. In the previous class, we were discussing about the poem 9, that Benjamin Jones Goes Swimming. The poet is Eileen Fisher. Okay, we discussed and half of the poem I already told you, and I hope you all have understood that. Today we'll continue the remaining poem. Okay, where we was from, all of you open your page number 79. Okay, the Benjamin was decided to go for the swimming competition, and his wife told some words to him that if you attend the swimming competition, you will lose or you will be lost that competition. For that, the Benjamin said that no, I will try my best and I will win the prize. Next, what happens? We'll see. Well, the fourth quickly came and waiting a claim. The fourth quickly came and waiting a claim. Means, fourth means on the 4th of July. As the starting of the poem, the Benjamin told that the competition was on the 4th July. It was came now. The 4th July was quickly came. It is the day of 4th July. And waiting a claim. Waiting a claim means praise, express warm approval. Everybody is expressing warm approval for that competition. There is a new word called appraise. Acclaim means praise. Means waiting for express warm approval. Express warm approval. So everybody, all swimmers are ready for the competition and all are expressing their warm approval towards the competition. Next, where wonderful swimmers galore. Where wonderful swimmers galore. Here swimmer. Swimmer is the singular and swimmers means plural. There are plenty of swimmers gather over the competition. Here galore means a plenty. Galore. Galore. Galore means a plenty. Means many. Many swimmers are gathered in the competition. Each poised in his place for the start of the race. Each paused in his place for the start of the race. Here, poised. Poised means what? Iga, for example, think that in your school, we are conducting one competition like running race. So, running race start ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ all players ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸೊ ಆ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ ನಿಲ್ತಾರ ಅದೇ ತರ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯಾ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ನಿಲ್ಬೇಕು ಸೊ ಪಾಯ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ರೆಡಿ P-O-I-S-E-D. Poised means stood ready. So all swimmers ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ತಮ್ಮ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ರು ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ರು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವೈ spectators crowded the shore. Spectators means onlookers. Spectators. So many new words are there. Make a list of this. Spectators means onlookers. ಈಗ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾ? ನೋ, we need viewers also for the competition. So like that, for the competition the players were ready, means swimmers were ready, and also the spectators, means where lookers also ready on looking forward the game competition. Next, why spectators crowded the shore, means surround the swimming pool is surrounded by the spectators on lookers. Next, what happens? The contest began and Benji, poor man. Now it's time to start the competition. The contest began and the Benji, poor man. But here Benji means he is Benjamin Jones. Here the poet is calling as Benji. Benji, poor man, was passed on the left and the right. Means ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದು ಕಾಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಬೆಂಜಿ ಪುವರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಬೆಂಜಿಗೆ ಪುವರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಬಟ್ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮರ್. ಹೂ? ಬೆಂಜಮಿನ್ ಜಾನ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ he came to the swimming competition. He is moving from here to there, means left to right. He is moving in the tension how to play in the competition, how to swim in the competition, because he is not a good swimmer. That's why he is playing. He is walking from the left side to right side. Next, what happens? Turn the page. His pace was so slow that a crab saw his toe. His pace was slow that a crab saw his toe. Pace means, as I told you, for the running there was a track. Here the swimming track is called as the pace. Pace means a single step. Single step. ಅವನೇನು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬೆಂಜಿ ಅವರು ರೆಡಿ ಆದ್ರು. ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಬೆಂಜಿ ಸಾ ಕ್ರಾಬ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಟೋ. ದಟ್ ಅ ಕ್ರಾಬ್ ಸಾ ಹಿಸ್ ಟೋ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀರೊಳಗೆ ಇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಬ್ ಸಾ ಹಿಸ್ ಟೋ. ಕ್ರಾಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is crab? AD. As you already know, the crab means AD. So you ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಾಬ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ಇವರ ಒಂದು ಟೋ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತು. ಕ್ರಾಬ್ ಸೋ ಹಿಸ್ ಟೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, and thought it would venture a bite. And thought it would venture a bite. ಆ ಕ್ರಾಬ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಅವ್ರ ಟೋ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸುಮ್ಮಿರುತ್ತಾ? ನೋ, it planned to venture a bite. Means venture a bite means try to bite. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನ, ಟೋ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಪಾದ, ಫುಟ್. ಟೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು. ಟೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೋಸ್. ಪಾದದ ಒಂದು ಟೋ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ತಿನ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅ ಬೈಟ್. ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅ ಬೈಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಬೈಟ್. ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅ ಬೈಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ try to bite. Try to bite. So when the Benji begins to swim in the swimming pool, the crab saw his toy and it tried to bite his toy, Benji's toy. Next, what happens? Ben noticed the crab as it started to grab. Here again the poet saying to the Benji that Ben, shortcut, short name is Ben. Ben noticed the crab as it started to grab. Means ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಾಬ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಅವರ ಟೋಯನ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಗ್ರಾಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್, ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದನ್ನ ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು? ಬೆಂಜಿಮ್ ಅವರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, and perhaps the result can be guessed. Perhaps the result can be guessed. So just you imagine that you are in some lake or some river. Suppose one crab is near your toe or near your foot. It is coming to bite your foot. What you will do? You will stand there only? No. You think that you plan to escape from there, isn't it? So think that what will be the result. Perhaps the result can be guessed. So ಸೊ ನೀವು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್? The thought of his toy in the claw of his toy. The thought of his toy in the claw of his foe. Toy, foe is the rhyming words. And a crab, grab. Crab, grab. These are also rhyming words. Here, claw means sharp nail. Claw means sharp nail. The crab is having the sharp nail. The sharp nail of the animals or the bird is called as the claw. Okay. The thought of his toy in the claw of his foe. Foe means, again here, foe means enemy. Foe, enemy. So many new words are there because the poet is the American writer. So some words he used in the American language. Foe means enemy. For enemy we call it as the foe. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ foe ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಬ್ ಏನಿದ there is a crab no that became the enemy of the Benjamin. So the Benjamin thought that his toy in the claw of his foe made him swim like a swimmer possessed. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಾಬಿನ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬೆಂಜಿಮನ ಎನಿಮಿ ಆದಂತ ಕ್ರಾಬ್. foe means enemy and the claw ಅಂದ್ರೆ sharp nail of the animal of the bird is called as the claw. So by seeing the foe's claw, the Benjamin possessed like a swimmer. Means like a swimmer means a swimmer is controlled by an extraordinary spirit. A swimmer is controlled by an extraordinary spirit. So like that made him swim like a swimmer possessed. The Benjamin was very possessed. He became the extraordinary swimmer. Next, and the crowd on the shore sent up a great roar. So when the Benjamin started to move like a great swimmer, the crowd was gathered over there, roared like a lion. Means the shore sent up a great roar. ರೋರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೀರಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಯಾರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲು ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ವಿವರ್ಸ್. ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ started to roar by seeing the Benjamin. Next, as Ben took the lead in the dash, means there was a dashboard in the playing ground. Okay, the Ben took the lead in the dash, means he became the top of that dashboard. His name became first. He took the lead of the dash. Dash means dashboard. He became the leader man to that dashboard. While his wife on the dock received such a shock. While his wife on the dock received such a shock. Here again, dock and shock both are the rhyming words. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಆ ಒಂದು ವಿವನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನ ಹೆಂಡತಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, she became shock. She became shock and shock. Surprise, and also she got surprise because as the starting of the poem she refused to send him the competition, but now due to that crab he became the top of the dashboard. By seeing that the wife got a shock and she fell in the lake with a splash. She fell in the lake with a splash. ಆ ಒಂದು ಬೆಂಜಿಮನ ಒಂದು ಆಟವನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಅವನ ವೈಫ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಲು, she fell in the lake with a splash. She fell into the lake with the shock. So how nice it is, the children. So like this the Benjamin at last win the competition. He became the winner of the swimming competition. Also he is not a good swimmer, but he decided to win the competition. That's why he became the winner. Like that, if you fixed up your mind, means if you set up something in your mind, means nobody can stop you from that. You can achieve anything. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. So we learned this statement through this poem. Yes. So be positive and always achieve something. Nothing is impossible, everything is possible. This is the moral of this poem. So make a list of new words. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.